Hello and welcome to this video where we would be talking about the Legiit platform. In this video today, we would be discussing what the Legiit platform is and how it works and why it might be a useful resource for you. So what exactly is the Legiit platform? The Legiit platform is an online platform that connects freelancers and businesses that are in need of their services. It's a place where freelancers can actually showcase their skills and experiences, and businesses can browse through and hire the best talent for their projects. The Legiit platform covers a wide range of services, which includes writing, design, marketing, and a whole lot more. It is a great resource for businesses who are looking to outsource tasks on one hand, for freelancers looking for new clients and projects that it can carry on. So how does the Legiit platform work? The process is simple. Freelancers create a profile on the platform, outlining their skills, their experiences, and then the rate of the services that they get to render. Businesses can then browse through the profile and connect freelancers that they are interested in working with based on the details provided on their profiles. Freelancers can also apply for open projects that businesses have posted on the Legiit platform. If a business is interested, they can reach out to the freelancer and discuss the details of the project much further. Once a freelancer and a business have agreed to work together, they can use the Legiit platform to communicate and collaborate on the project. The platform includes features like messaging, file sharing, and project management tools to help keep everything organized and on track. But that's not all. The Legiit platform also has a built-in escrow system to ensure that freelancers are paid for their work in a timely and secure manner. This especially is helpful for freelancers who may be concerned about working with clients that they have never met with before. So why choose the Legiit platform over other freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and a lot more? There are several reasons why the Legiit platform might be a good choice for businesses and freelancers. First and foremost, the Legiit platform is a platform specifically designed for freelancers and businesses to connect. This means that you are more likely to find the services you need or the clients you are looking for on the Legiit platform than you would on a general purpose platform like Fiverr or Upwork. In addition to that, the Legiit platform escrow system provides added security for both freelancers and businesses. Freelancers can be confident that they will get paid for their work, while businesses can be confident that they will get what they paid for. One cool thing about the Legiit platform is that it is a user-friendly platform with a variety of tools and resources to help make the process of finding and working with freelancers easier. These include things like messaging tools, project management tools, and file sharing tools. The Legiit platform is a platform that connects freelancers and businesses in need of their services. It is a user-friendly platform with a variety of tools and resources to make the process of finding and working with freelancers easier. And it includes a built-in escrow system to ensure that the freelancers are paid for their work in a timely and secured manner. Hit the like button on this video if you enjoyed this video. Don't also forget to stay subscribed for more value-packed videos. Check the link in the description to learn a little bit more.